ChatGPT is the AI tool almost everyone's heard of, but most people are only using a fraction of what it can actually do. I'm on the free version myself, but in this video, I'll show you everything it can do for free, and then I'll walk you through the premium features too, so you can decide if upgrading is worth it. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by OpenAI. You type a question or request, and it responds instantly, writing, explaining, brainstorming, coding, and more. Let's start with something visual. ChatGPT can generate images directly from text. Just describe what you want. It can also read and summarize documents. I'll upload a PDF and ask it to break down the key points. ChatGPT can also search the web for current information and show you exactly where it got the answer. There's also voice mode. You can literally talk to it instead of typing.
Absolutely. Why did the math book look so sad? Because it had too many problems. Or one more. I asked the librarian if they had any books on paranoia. She whispered, "They're right behind you."
And for something more advanced, it can analyze data. I'll upload a simple spreadsheet and ask it to calculate something. Now, free isn't unlimited. You'll hit a message cap after a while. Image and file generation are capped per day, and you don't get access to the more advanced reasoning model. That's locked behind Plus. So here's what Plus actually unlocks, straight from OpenAI's own pricing page. Higher message limits, the advanced thinking model for harder problems, deep research, Sora video generation, and an ad-free experience. So who actually needs Plus? If you're a casual or student user, free genuinely covers you. But if you're using ChatGPT daily for work or content creation, Plus pays for itself pretty fast. That's everything ChatGPT can do in 2026, free or paid. If this helped, subscribe to Project AI. Next up, we're breaking down Claude. See you in the next one.